Hi friends, I am Sai Chesnia. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the standby mode in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So before starting the video, subscribe to my channel friends Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of best wallpapers. So as you can see friends, right now I'm using the unique wallpaper which is very suitable for the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So you can find plenty of playlists in the description. So as you can see friends, these are my latest videos which I uploaded on different various devices. So if you are interested, you can just take a look at my channel. So you can find all the videos friends. And let's get started with this test. And in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, the battery comes with a 5000 mAh of capacity, so which is a very good advantage for the device. So Redmi Note 9 Pro. And I started to do the battery life test as well. So day 1 I did a video and day 2 also I recorded. So definitely there will be day 3 video friends, and in this video I'll be talking about the standby mode, how much it is. So I've taken the screenshot of the starting and ending time before sleeping and after awake. So let me show you the screenshot what I've taken in the device. And don't forget to check the links in description for more in detail reviews. So here is the screenshot which I have taken at the night time 9:33 p.m. So during this time I have used only the single SIM but with the 4G data on continuously throughout the night. So at the moment I do not have that many apps installed in the phone, but still you will get a clear idea how is the standby mode at the night time. So let me show you the early morning screenshot which I have taken. So this is the early morning screenshot at 6:22 a.m. So battery dropped to 68% as you can see clearly. So there is only a drop of 4% from the night to morning, 72 to 64. So 4% drop with the 4G data on. That is very good, impressive battery life, because the time is around 15 hours there, and right now it's close to 24 hours. So 24 and 15 hours. So overall there's a 9 hours of difference in terms of standby mode test. So in 9 hours there is only drop of 4% friends, and which is very good. And even if you take for every 2 hours there is a drop of 1% in the battery in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So this is overall standby mode training test, and definitely I did another training test like while streaming the music and while using the YouTube, different applications. So do check the links in description for the playlist, so you can find very interesting videos on the Redmi Note 9 Pro which I have done. So see you in the next video friends. That's it for this video. Until then, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. If you want to know what live wallpapers I'm using, you can find the links in description for that. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.